In today's class, I shall be giving you the solutions to the assignment I gave you on exercise 1.2 and 1.3. Assignment 1.3, we are asked to write the following as fractions. And writing this as fractions, this is equal to 1 divided by 10 squared. This is going to be the reverse process of what we did in expressing fractions, decimal numbers to standard forms. So it's going to be the reciprocal or the opposite of what we did. So this is equal to 1 over 1 over 10 raised to the power of 2. And 10 raised to the power of 2 is said to be 100. And this is equal to 0.01, taking the hundredths place value. This is equal to 1 over 10 raised to the power of 4, which is equal to 1 divided by 10,000, and this is equal to 0.0001. Remember, the number of zeros is always 1 less than the power of 10. So in as much as we are having minus 2, the number of zeros is 1. But meanwhile, you are going to have 2 digits after the decimal point as it corresponds with the power of 10. Same thing with number 2. Number 3, 10 raised to the power of minus 1 is written as 1 over 10. And 1 over 10 is equal to 0.1. 4, this is 1 divided by 10 raised to the power of 9, which is equal to 0. We have 8 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, making it 9 digits. Number 5, expressing 0.003 as fraction, this can be said to be 0.001 times 3, which is equal to 3 times 1 divided by 1,000, which is equal to 3 divided by 1,000. This is equal to, this can be expressed as 7 times 0.00001, which is equal to 7 times 1 divided by 10,000, that's 100,000, and this is equal to 7 divided by 100,000. Number 7, this is equal to 9 times 0.0001, which is equal to 9 times 1 divided by 10,000, and this is equal to 9 divided by 10,000. Number 8, this is equal to 1 divided by 10,000, which is equal to, it's just 1 over 10,000. Assignment 1.3, we are asked to write the following in decimals. So in decimals, this is equal to 7 times 1 divided by 1,000, and 1 divided by 1,000 is said to be 0.001 times 7, which is equals to 0.007. Number 2, this is equal to 0.1 because it is taking the 10th place value. This is taking the 1,000th place value. So this is equal to 3 times 1 over 100. This is equal to 0.03, which is the 100th place value. This is the 10th place value. This is the 100th place value. Number 4, 5 times 10 raised to the power of 4 can be expressed as 5 times 10 raised to the power of 4 is said to be 0.0001 0.01, which is equal to 0.0005. Otherwise, you can say that you move the decimal point from here 4 times to your left. And when you do that, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And that gives you your answer. This is equal to 1 divided by 10 to the power 5. So you move the decimal point from this place 5 times to your left, and you end up having 4 zeros and 1, which is 0.00001 as your answer. Question 6. 10 raised to the power of minus 4 can be expressed as 1 over 10 raised to the power of 4. This is equal to 0. How many zeros will you have before 1? 3 zeros. Just like I said, always 1 less than the power of 10. This is 0, 0, 0, and 1. Question 6. This can be expressed as 6 divided by 10 raised to the power of, this is 4, which is equal to 0.3 zeros before 6. That will be 0, 0, 0, 6. And same goes to this. This is 6 divided by 10 raised to the power of 8, which is equal to 0.123 and 8. So that gives us our answer. Kindly like our videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and family so that they can benefit from these classes. You are also advised to follow us on all our social media handles at My Lesson Teacher on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and on YouTube. Thank you for being part of this class. In our next class, we shall be looking at whole numbers in standard form aside 10. At the last class, we're looking at multiples of 10. But in our next class, we shall be looking at numbers other than 10. Do have a nice day.